In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task on Airtable. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or just making sure everything is in order, knowing how to delete a task efficiently is essential. Let's dive into it. First, make sure you're on the Airtable website. If you're not logged in yet, you'll want to click on the sign in button usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your Airtable account. If you don't have an account, you might need to create one, but for today, we're focusing on those who already have access. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Airtable home screen. From here, you have access to all your bases. The base is essentially your workspace, where all related tasks and projects are organized. You'll want to navigate to the specific base that contains the task you wish to delete. Click on it to open. After entering the base, you'll see a list of records. These represent individual tasks or projects within your base. Identify the specific task or project you need to remove. This might require scrolling through the list if you have numerous entries, so take a moment to pinpoint the correct record to avoid deleting something unintentionally. Now that you have located the task, click on the record to access more details. This will open a new window showing you a more detailed view. You'll see several options and fields you've typically used to manage your task. At this point, focus on the upper section where you'll find a small three-dot icon. This icon is subtle but crucial for managing your record settings. Click on the three-dot icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers various options you can perform on the record, including the ability to delete it. Hover over the choices available and you will see Delete Project among them. Selecting this will initiate the deletion process. Before you finalize the deletion, it's worth noting that once you delete a task, it might not be recoverable, depending on your account's configuration and any automated backups you have in place. Ensure that you won't need the task later, as this action could be irreversible. After confirming that deletion is the right choice, click Delete Project, and there you have it. The task is now removed from your Airtable base. This straightforward method helps keep your workspace organized and free from outdated or unnecessary tasks. Remember, maintaining an organized environment boosts productivity and clarity in your projects. Thanks for following along, and until next time, keep your spaces clean and your projects on track.